I'm here earlier doing this with the Hero 8. I figured, hey, why not do this with the Hero 7? And let's see if we can get a GPS lock while this connects. GPS is there, GPS is there. We should be hooked up to GPS. Quick capture is on, GPS is on. There's GPS. See if it locks on there. I'm gonna give it another minute or two. I don't have enough battery life, that's for sure. Might as well turn my vehicle on because we should be good to go. So GPS will never come on with the phone, so I think I got the same issue. Let's go for a little run, right? Start her up. We're recording. I stopped it. Let's simply do it this way right here. There is the video. 11 seconds. Let's download it to the app. $12.18 is the file number. Let me just back out of all of this. Get to this particular page here. 11 seconds was the video. I don't want to make it too long. Stickies. There's the GPS. Let's put a path on there. And let's go ahead and save this. See if it crashes. Let's download, save to the phone. I am saying until GoPro fixes this, we got an issue altogether. Have a great day and thank you for joining.